Hello everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone is great. Hey guys, we read a story called Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Yeah, that was an interesting story, right? It was good about Goldilocks. She was very naughty. She did a lot of bad things, yeah, until one day she went into the forest, into a cottage, and she saw three bears. She got scared and she ran away. It was a very good story, right? Yes. So, in this video, guys, Teacher Shane is going to teach you five vocabulary words. Yeah. So guys, are you ready? Okay, here we go. The first word is naughty. Let's say it 3 times. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Naughty means bad. You do not want to be naughty at home, at school, or anywhere. You have to be good. No one likes a naughty person. Yeah, so you got to be good all the time. Okay, guys, the next word is haircut. Let's say it 3 times. Haircut, haircut, haircut. Do you want a haircut? If you have long hair, you can go to a barber shop or a hair salon to get your hair cut. Yeah, Teacher Shane got a haircut. Yeah, 1 month ago, and I look really nice, right? Yes, haircut. Okay, the next vocabulary word is cottage. Let's say it 3 times. Cottage, cottage, cottage. A cottage is a small house. Usually you will see a cottage in a forest. Yeah, it's really nice. I have been inside a cottage. It's really cool outside in the forest. Yeah, it looks like the Three Bears cottage in the story. Yeah. All right, guys, here comes the next word. The next word is greedy. Let's say it 3 times. Greedy, greedy, greedy. Yeah, if you don't want to share, you are greedy. Yeah, when someone asks you, like, hey, can I have a piece of your sandwich, cookie, candy? You say, no, 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 it's mine. I do not want to share. I want it all for myself. So if you do not want to share, you are greedy. Being greedy is a bad thing. So don't be greedy. Share. Everyone loves someone who can share. Okay, the next word is bowl. Let's say it 3 times. Bowl, bowl, bowl. Do you know what you can eat from a bowl? You can eat rice, ice cream. You can eat noodles out of a bowl. Yeah, bowls are round and it's deep. And you can put lots of delicious food in a bowl. All right, guys, great job. We just learned our 5 vocabulary words. Now, guess what? It's time to review the 5 vocabulary words with Teacher Shane. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. The first word is haircut. Let's say it 3 times. Haircut, haircut, haircut. If you want a haircut, you can go to a barber shop or a salon to cut your hair. Okay, the next word is naughty. Let's say it 3 times. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Are you naughty? I hope not. You have to be good all the time. Yeah, no one likes someone who is naughty. So you are good all the time, right? Yes. Okay, here comes the next word. The next word is cottage. Let's say it 3 times. Cottage, cottage, cottage. You can find a cottage in a forest. Yes, you can. Okay, the next word is greedy. Let's say it 3 times. Greedy, greedy, greedy. If you don't want to share, you are greedy. Yeah, it's okay to share. Sharing is caring. Always share. Okay, the final word is, that's right, bowl. Let's say it 3 times. Bowl, bowl, bowl. Great job, everyone. Great job. We just finished reviewing our 5 vocabulary words. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.